At Centor, we believe the world is beautiful. That's why we develop products to better connect you to your world outside without compromises. Designed with an elegant modesty, Centor door and window screens glide smoothly at the touch of a fingertip and can be easily operated from any height. Unique load balancing technology gently holds the screen at any position, allowing for an effortless flow between inside and outside living spaces. Designed for larger openings, Centor's award-winning S4 screen and shade system allows complete control over your living spaces. Light filtering fabrics let daylight in, while still providing sun and glare protection. Blackout fabrics offer complete privacy or darkness when needed. Screens and shades are retained within all four edges of the frame and held in place with tabs to prevent insect screen blowout and support luxury interior fabrics. Centor's S4 can also be configured as a screen and shade combination or cornerless for homes with postless corner doors. Flexible magnets improve style alignment and remove any gaps. All mating parts are labeled with color-coded dots, making the assembly process clear and simple. A simple color-coded cabling and pulley system, along with Lego-style instructions, makes cabling the screen system on site easier than ever before. Cabling on site provides the installer with a greater understanding, aiding future service and support. One drive type, the supplied Torx T20, is used throughout in both frame and style blocks. The single Torx head naturally aligns and gives a neater finish than multiple drives. Jam and head covers are retained by a simple snap-on clip, making them easy to assemble or remove. Snap-on covers enable quick and easy adjustment of the screen or blind, reducing the likelihood of breakage or corrosion. Frame widths over 232 inches and 5/8 will have a joiner to reduce transportation costs and minimize the risk of damage when transporting longer lengths. A custom meeting point can be specified for double systems without joiners. This allows the screen styles to either align for the door style or meet at the door handle. The style stop can be varied by 1 inch either side to allow for small variations when transferring measurements from plans. Double systems with joiners will meet at the actual joiner. This prevents screen-style wheels from prematurely failing if they roll over the joiner meeting point. The joiner position can be custom set but will not have the tolerance of systems without joiners. Recessed drainage groups make outside installation possible. The screen drainage holes are not visible and won't block holes in the existing door sill, eliminating the need to match them up with the screen holes. With the Centor production system, Centor screen resellers can quickly and easily log inquiries, generate instant quotes, see all ordering options, and check constraints, preventing the ordering of unworkable configurations.